Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and full review of this AirCore 1080p webcam with microphone, speaker and privacy cover. It has been updated in 2021, has full HD. It's a USB webcam with tripod, plug and play for almost everything: gaming, streaming, video conferencing and so on and so on. It's a medium price device, but it has a lot of features, and especially the speakers are really interesting. I mean, especially if you have like desktop or mini PC which doesn't have any kind of speaker, this could be a really interesting device for you. So here we have the box, maybe we have some description here, and the model type, that's probably the C500. So we are going to check what's in the box and what you get and how it really is in real life. So that's the thing here. Let's take it out. Let's see, we get some instructions as well. Definitely the tripod. And since the user manual is really short, I'm going to show you that if you need that. But I mean, it's a webcam, it's not rocket science, and especially with Windows 10, it's just supposed to be plug and play. Here we have the tripod, small one but good, very flexible. You can see it should definitely be possible to use this thing if you don't want to place it on your monitor or so. What I like definitely is this mount here. This is as good as it gets. I love this kind of mounts which work for really wide screens but also small screens. Like if you have a small screen, you can see that works like this. You can go even almost like flat. This is definitely my preferred clamp here. I've seen a lot of different ones, and I always prefer this one here, which is really flexible. The question is then only, can we also pull it down or point it down? Yeah, definitely we can. That's also really important. A lot of webcams are very limited regarding this. So when you have it on top of your monitor and you can't point it down, so how can it hit your face? So that's also really important. To the upside, it's not very difficult. To the upside, it doesn't have to go a lot, because you can do it like this, and then you can point it actually straight to the top or to the ceiling. You can also rotate this freely 360 degrees because the cable is here in the camera, not on the clamp. And then we have this safety protection here. Let's see how we can open. Yeah, like we can open this nicely to the side, so it's always available. If you want to close it, it goes really fast. Open, close, open, close. Yeah, definitely not a problem. And you have also the alternate solution. When you have it like to the front, you just turn it to the side. So you have actually two good options to protect your privacy. So I'm going to attach it to my Windows 10 laptop, and then we are going to check regarding the speaker, microphone and camera quality. By the way, if you want to know what these plastics are, this is just protection. You can remove these things, and then you have a nice soft rubber pad here. Yeah, I can remove to show you that. It's really good. Same thing also here. Can remove that here. Then you have some nice grip, soft rubber, and same thing here. You can see even another one here. So it is everywhere nicely protected, but we have this soft rubber which makes it really good holding almost everywhere. And we have this mount here. That's a standard tripod mount. So if you want to use a larger one, you can use a larger one. You can use this one. So you're very flexible regarding what you're using. So I have the camera here, and I'm going to plug it in now. Let's see how easy this is. Yeah, it's saying setting up a device here. And I highly recommend not to do anything till you get the final confirmation from Windows that all the updates are done. You can see that you are setting up a device, so it looks like it's still going on and device is ready. Yeah, only when you get this confirmation you should start and use this, otherwise the experience could be limited. So let's open the software now. By the way, if you're interested to know, that's the free camera software from Microsoft. Everybody can get it for free. Then we have to search for the camera here. We click usually, then it's looking for the next available camera, and we have it already here. You can see. So we have this picture here. We can move it around and we can see everything really nice and clear. So now we can also answer the question if it's an autofocus or not. It's definitely not an autofocus, and but it has a nice fixed focus which is pretty sharp. I mean, we cannot go very close, but in an intermediate distance which you're usually using, I would say, for normal video conferencing or so, it has a nice sharp image. There's absolutely no problem. You can point it around and you can see that it's working really good. We can use this cover here and you can see that you're fully protected. That's definitely really working. And what's important to see here in the settings, the video quality, what are the available options. We can go up to real 1080p 16:9 with 30 frames. That's definitely supported. And regarding the photos, the largest resolution is 1920 by 1080 16:9, 2.1 megapixel. That's what we can choose. So I move the camera a little bit around so you can see. I mean, by the way, what's also really good here is that we get a really long cable. Sometimes these webcams have really short cable, then you are in trouble when you need a little bit of a distance here. This is highly recommended to buy only webcam which has long cable, so you can move this thing around and put it to the place where it has to go. So I'll move the camera a little bit around so you can see. So here's an image a little bit above the PC. That's really good color, I would say. Then let's point a little bit to the side. I think everything pretty natural. The good thing is when we don't have an autofocus, it's not moving. It has always the same focus. So here I am directly recording from this camera. You can see me in this camera. This is everything what's recorded from the camera. There's the audio and there's the video directly recorded from this camera here, and so you should be able to determine how good the audio is. And I'm also going to play directly this for you so you can see that. And I'm using this directly to play this on the speaker if this is possible. So here we have the recordings. I'm going to play that now directly on this PC and using this speaker here so you can see how good this is. So here I am directly recording from this camera. You can see me in this camera. This is everything what's recorded from the camera. There's the audio and there's the video directly recorded from this camera here, and so you should be able to determine how good the audio is. And I'm also going to play directly this for you so you can see that. Okay, I stop this here. Yeah, that was pretty good. I mean, first thing you can see, you have to just plug it in and you can use the microphone and the camera and the speaker, everything. So you don't have to be worried. You don't have to deal with the drivers, or you don't have to select the specific video and audio and microphone and those things. So usually when you plug it in, Windows 10 usually these days should directly use everything what's here available on this webcam. That's a good thing. And second good thing is the quality. The quality is really amazing. I think the microphone is here, and the speakers are here in the back, and surprisingly good. I mean, I would say for this price, this is as good as it gets, and the video is clear, it's nicely illuminated. You can even see these things here in the back. It's really sharp and crisp and good image, I would say. Yeah, for this price, with everything what you get such a complete package. This is just amazing. It's a unique thing that you get microphone, speaker and webcam all in one, especially again for like desktop or mini PC or even for laptop here. This could be the thing for you, and I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.